At Aartec Publishers, we believe in the power of the written word. With over 2 decades of experience, we are dedicated to bringing compelling stories and essential knowledge to readers around the world. Our mission is to empower and inspire through the art of publishing. We strive to support authors in sharing their unique voices and stories with the world. From manuscript to marketplace, Aartec Publishers offers comprehensive services including editing, design, printing, and marketing. We are committed to ensuring your book reaches its full potential. Join the Aartec family and let us help you share your story with the world. Together, we can make a lasting impact through the power of books.